Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're all doing well. I'm sorry for the delay in my videos. I had a nice holiday for 2 weeks, and then after my holiday, I had a lot of to do, and yeah, here in the Netherlands we had a big storm coming over, so I had a few things that were broken because of the storm. Everything else is just doing fine. I'm soon having some new cars to detail, but I wanted to take a moment to relax and get my energy back up again because I had a lot of things at personal level that I needed to work out. Anyway, today's video is something different because I have a polishing machine from the band Liquid Elements, and I was scrolling down on TikTok for one moment, and then I saw some guys at colleagues pages of mine who said that some things in the detailing world are just rebrands of other manufacturers. Well, I don't, because I think it's a really touchy subject, but anyway, I also partially share the same opinion because today I have collected some examples for you guys, so you can decide for yourself if it's just a rebrand or a product that has been used and then put a sticker on it by a big company or any company just to make some profit of it. My opinion, let's be totally clear with that. I don't care if companies want to sell products of other companies to make some extra profit or to expand their business line, to give their customers more choice in quality products. I don't care about that at all, but what I do care about is if you purchase a product as a company and then want to make money off it by just putting a sign or a sticker or whatever on it that says this is from X company, like you designed the whole product. A few examples will be shown in the next few clips. Yeah, well, for me is a great example with my polishing machine. I use a polishing machine from Liquid Elements, and I surf on or scroll through an app called AliExpress. Some people know AliExpress or the Alibaba. It's something like Amazon but from China. Anyway, what I have seen over there is that they also offer polishing machines, but and here is the thing that gets crazy. I have seen exact the same model from Liquid Elements on AliExpress, but without Liquid Elements brand stickered all over it. But then again, I don't know who is copying who. The whole problem with sites like AliExpress and Alibaba and all those Chinese counterparts to Amazon is that they offer a lot of products, and some sellers from those sites will also try to imitate successful products because they want to make money. Well, that's something that is logic. Well, that is where I don't have a problem with it because that's none of my concern. If the product is good and you can get it cheaper as a customer or as a company, and you want to use it for your own good, whatever it may be, like for example a chemical or a machine or a brush or no, whatever. That's your own choice. You're purchasing the product that you want, so that's your own choice if you want to spend a lot of money or do you want to try to get the same product but for less money, and that one is unbranded. That's totally up to you. But what I don't like or what I'm not cool with is the products that are rebranded based on the success from somebody else. That is totally not cool with me. And those products that I will be showing you right now are perfect examples why I think you should be looking on other sites also, besides just the verified websites that sell those products. I've purchased my machine from my regular supplier, but I looked at AliExpress and I saw exactly the same machine but without, as I stated before, without liquid elements on it. Well, I don't know who is copying who, but anyway, let me know what you think about rebranding successful products. Is it a crime? Is it something you're against? Let's start a conversation in the comments and let's hear about your ideas or what you think about the whole thing with successful products being imitated by other people or in China or wherever. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe, as that would help my channel grow in the long run. I will be doing a giveaway very soon, and with the next detail I will be doing a giveaway for 3 people. And well, that's it for now. I thank you all for watching and I hope you have a nice day.